The high volatility of the cryptocurrency market has always been the key criteria for determining the market trends, by which we mean cryptocurrency. That brings us to the topic of the day. Well, it's been a while since Ethereum has been in the market, and it has become obsolete. To take over Ethereum, the market has brought along a new cryptocurrency, Aeon. Reports are that this crypto is efficient enough to tackle all the issues Ethereum had all along. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about two coins, Aeon and R, a cryptocurrency that's going to change the face of the market. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn the bell icon on so that you don't miss out on any new content. Stay tuned until the end of the video to know everything about this crypto. The blockchain market has dug a new hole in the marketplace. Aeon is the new multi-tier network designed for interoperability among blockchains. As of the present date, Aeon is based on the cryptocurrency Ethereum protocol. Unlike the other coins simply put to crowd the marketplace, Aeon has a different work to do. This cryptocurrency has brought something unusual to the table, the concept of interoperability. This is something that cryptos of today are lacking, and the ones who are dominating the marketplace are yet not so efficient in this aspect. For Aeon, its work ethic revolves around the creation of new blockchains, monetizing interchain bridges, and secure the overall network. The objective of this currency is to build an open application network focusing on bridging the gap between the other blockchain. In simple words, that acts as fuel for all these transactions, bringing more blockchain usage. In order to make a better analysis, let's hop onto the genesis of this token. What's interesting is that this coin has been with us in the market for a long time. Aeon has been in the market since 2009. We could never understand its importance until today. On the other hand, the next coin that we are talking about is based on the most crucial factor of the crypto market, security. R is the private coin that focuses on providing security in the most effective manner. There is no other coin in the market which can match this level of security. We will explain the details of R sometime, but before that, let's head on to discuss more about Aeon. Nuco, the founding company of Aeon, is headed by its CEO Matthew Spoke, who is also a member of the board of directors for Ethereum Enterprise Alliance. Spoke has nourished the idea with the aim to create a network of blockchains that can interact with each other and other chains. Talents from all over the world have come together to solve the problem of how blockchains talk to each other. The reason this network will come as the biggest help in the coming future is based on the belief that blockchain technology will escalate in the future. If that is the case, we will need mechanisms and bridges to transfer and move data across different blockchain spaces. Before working at Aeon, the founders of this network were working on the Delta blockchain division. In the start, they talked about the company Nuco Global, but eventually changed its name to Aeon Foundation. For R, the expertise is a bit different. The coin focuses on the narrower part of what Aeon does. Instead of the interoperability, R's pirate chains aim to protect the entire chain via several effective ways, such as shielding, sampling, anonymity at every level, and Pirate OS. Coming to its technological aspect, the pirate chain uses a delayed proof-of-work algorithm that works to enhance security by notarizing its blocks onto both the Komoda and Bitcoin blockchains, which makes the chain impossible to be broken down by a 51% attack. In this blockchain-driven world, Aeon would provide for that empty space, filling up the position of information sharing technology. But the question is Aeon a good investment? Aeon Network supports custom blockchain structures and provides a trustless mechanism for cross-chain interoperability. It is equipped to pass value, logic, and liquid assets along the network users where transactions take place, eradicating all intermediaries. And how is the entire network going to do that? Simple, via its native token Aeon. The coin adds value to the Canada-based open application network, positioning itself for use in value and data exchanges, particularly for smart contract networks like Ethereum and Neo. It kind of works similar to EOS or Tron. The coin thereby uses a delegated proof-of-stake algorithm. Cryptocurrency is frequently marketed as an alternative to the global financial system. If this scenario comes to pass, it might result in thousands of separate and isolated blockchains. Communication and transfer between these networks are enabling not only a banking replacement, but also a replacement for the current financial software architecture. However, for that, the entire system needs a strong interoperability interface. Blockchain networks must be able to communicate with legacy systems such as financial institutions. Do you know what saddening is? As of today, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Zcash can't communicate with one another. It's not possible for Bitcoin to know what is going on with its chain on the Litecoin network and vice versa. One may argue that cryptocurrency exchanges have a portal to stay connected with one another. However, since cryptocurrency is not centralized, it is highly vulnerable to security breaches such as blackouts or hacking. Aeon, on the other hand, is that tissue that can fit perfectly in between the two networks, forming a firm system and a reliable solution for scalability, safety, and interoperability issues to both private and public blockchains. Let's look into the price aspect of cryptocurrency. Before we do so, let's have a look at the Aeon price history. Although future results for a coin cannot be extrapolated from past performance, knowing what has happened to the cryptocurrency might provide some much-needed context when looking at an Aeon coin price prediction. When Aeon was launched in the autumn of 2017, several crypto enthusiasts were ecstatic about its potential. It was selling at around $0.58 on October 20th that year, but it quickly rose in price. The coin burst through the $1 barrier in late November and has continued to rise as more individuals become interested in cryptocurrency. The absolute high point occurred on January 7, 2021, when Aeon hit an intraday high of $11.51, which remains at its all-time high. After its brief mooning, the coin dropped significantly, but it remained over $1 until 27 June of that year, when it sank to an intraday low of $0.9861. Aeon made a comeback, but it was all over when it hit an intraday high of $1.05 on July 19th. Since then, the coin has remained above $1. When it comes to making an Aeon crypto price prediction, 2021 was a pivotal year for cryptocurrency. It began the year at $0.06144 and ended January at $0.07227, a monthly increase of over 17%. The coin then took off the next month, surging more than 136% before more than doubling in March. Things eased down a little in April, but the month-on-month price increase was still 11%. As of 2022, Aeon's price variation isn't on a positive tone. The token has dropped extraordinarily since the start of this, from $0.14 to $0.033. As of today, Aeon is trading at $0.0336 with a green of 3.71% change in the last 24 hours. The Aeon coin has massive potential and a certainty that the coin is going to hit an approximate $0.20 in December. Wallet Investor, the cryptocurrency analyst website, predicts a bullish price trajectory in the coming future. Aeon is expected to reach $0.2578 in December 2022 and just over $0.40 a year later, according to CryptoGround. The site's Aeon price prediction for 2025 is a little under $5.72, and the site's Aeon price prediction for December 2026 is around $7.10. Aeon is one of the cryptos which is great for long-term investment. Do you believe in that? This brings us to our next coin, R. That's ARRR, the native to the pirate chain. It is a 100% private chain that uses a privacy protocol that other users' activity cannot compromise on the network. The pirate chain uses ZK-Shark to shield 100% of the peer-to-peer transactions on the blockchain, making for highly anonymous and private transactions. Now, these types of transactions are encoded in such a way that no one, absolutely no one, can enter and get away with the details. The developers guarantee that 51% attack pirate, and one could need to first 51% to attack Bitcoin, making protection from twofold spending and unfriendly takeovers almost impossible. Unless the attacker overcomes the combined hash rates of all three blockchains, which is a prohibitively costlier task. As we all know, during the popular DAO event in 2016, a decentralized autonomous association known as the DAO, a collection of small contracts built on the platform, raised a record of $150 million USD in a group deal to fund the initiative. After coming into existence in 2018, the developers of the Komodo community, with the help of several independent developers, the pirate chain came into existence. What was surprising was that people actually bought the entire concept of security, and the price of R went up more than 40,751% within a year's time. As of today, the token appears to be on the bearish side, the same as the other coins in the market. This is a good buying time. Depending on the price graph, trading beasts predict R to reach $0.74 by the beginning of July this year. It can reach a maximum of 93 cents. When the market rebinds, the chances of this coin crossing $1 are also pretty high up. What are your views on R's growth for this year? Comment below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the new videos from us.